original Surface Pro was bulky. Its battery was limited. The keyboard was annoying, the display wasn't great, and performance was just okay. It was expensive. Worst of all, it was forced to run Windows 8, an awkward operating system poorly suited for dedicated touchscreen use. Yet, for all its faults, the Surface Pro was also revolutionary. If Microsoft was as stodgy as its reputation suggests, it would have given up on the Pro and set its sights on some other pie-in-the-sky project. Instead, it hunkered down, analyzed the problem, and tried again. And again. And again. After just 2.5 years, we're now on the 4th iteration. On average, a new Pro has arrived every 8 months. A look at the latest model's specifications makes the improvements clear. Aside from a move to Intel's 6th generation core chips, significant, because Microsoft skipped the 5th generation entirely, the new model has a long list of updates. The keyboard is more spacious, the touchpad is larger, the display is both bigger and more pixel dense, the pen is more sensitive, and the base hard drive offers twice the capacity as before. But the Surface Pro 4 also finds itself competing in an increasingly diverse field. Its revolutionary nature has forced other companies to respond. Since its release, the Surface Pro 4 has been constantly imitated, but no updates in almost a year has left the Surface Pro 4 in the shadow of its former prominence. Is it still a solid choice, or should you hold off for an upgrade?